In today's video, I'll show you how to earn $600 every single day by doing nothing just with free apps. This is not one, not two, but 5 apps that will pay you $600 every time you use them. And you won't have to do anything. The best aspect is that you can withdraw your funds using a variety of payment methods. Of course, you can do this from pretty much anywhere in the globe, and you only need one thing: your smartphone. This can be done on either Android or iOS devices, so all you have to do now is follow my simple instructions. Download the apps and create a free account, and you're ready to start earning money. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every single day. So make sure you complete watching the video, like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. I'd like you to consider this. You check your phone first thing in the morning when you wake up. Moreover, guess what? Your payments are deposited directly into your account. You may start earning money right now. Whether you're sitting on your couch or even asleep, you can make money over and over again by basically doing nothing. Okay. So the first app that I want to show you is this right in front of your screens. So the concept of this app is really simple. You can just click and play and watch the video and start making money. You can do this on your television or on your mobile phone, whether it's iOS or Android. Now, as I promised, here's the bonus tip in order to maximize making money with this app. You have to click and play the videos and let them play in the background using multiple devices. Now you can do this while doing stuff you like, while you're studying, or even while you're sleeping. All you have to do is download the TV2 app on your phone first. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. As you can see, almost 500,000 people have tried this one. The best thing about this app is that it has almost 5-star rating on the Google Play Store, judging by the fact that they've got almost 500,000 downloads, which is just amazing. Now, once you download the app, make sure you go and click the app in your phone or link it to your television so you can play the videos and start earning real cash. And there are literally unlimited videos and channels that you can choose from and start making money. Once again, this app is called TV2, and the URL for this app is at tv-2.com. Okay. The second app where you can earn money doing nothing is called AppKarma.io. As you can see here, you can earn rewards by playing with apps, and it is absolutely free. The rationale why you can make money without doing anything is that when you download and install this app, you can instantly get 300 points, meaning you can get $3 doing nothing. You can download this on your Android phone or on your iOS device. Right now, as I promised, here's the bonus tip. Just log into your account every single day. So just open this app and claim your daily rewards. This is how you can earn money every single day doing nothing. On this app, you can get different achievement badges, which can multiply your earnings. So you can earn double or even triple your money right now. And one last thing about AppKarma is that you can actually refer your friends by sharing your invite link and earn 30% of whatever your friends earn. So say, for example, when you refer people and they earn $100, you will also earn $30 for free without doing anything. So all you have to do is download AppKarma on your mobile phone first. If you're using an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. The logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. This is just a very simple app to use, yet you have multiple ways to make money, including playing games. And you can also earn by scratching cards. Also, don't forget to log in every single day to claim your daily rewards. Once again, this app is called AppKarma. The third app that I want to show you is called cashforaminute.com. With this app, you can make money by simply listening to internet radio broadcast, and you can receive your money every single week because they are now offering weekly payouts and many different payment options. As you can see here, speedy payments, you can choose from weekly or monthly payments through bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon vouchers. Real quick, I want you to comment down below and let me know your preferred payment method. This app is available worldwide because they have global access. With that, all you need is just a mobile phone and an internet connection. Basically, this is how it works. First, you need to sign up for a free account on Cash for a Minute. So just simply set up your profile and link your phone number to this app. After that, you can then start listening to different radio broadcasts and start earning money. Also, another bonus way to make money with this app is by referring friends. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and earn 5% of everything they make. What's more, you'll earn 1% of everything that people who they introduce make too. Now you can leave your referral links in the comments section below, and that way you can use each other's links, so all of you can make money all together. Once again, this app is called Cash for Minutes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe using the red button and leave a comment down below if you loved it. That will be awesome if we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022. We'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So if this video receives 2022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Moving on to the fourth app is SlideJoy. The rationale why this app pays you money for literally doing nothing is because they'll be showing you advertisements on your mobile phone, and through those advertisements SlideJoy is making money. This app got featured in many major companies. So as you can see here, once you download this app on your mobile phone, SlideJoy will give you cash-like rewards just for using their lock screen. They'll be showing you the latest trending news and interesting personalized ads on the first screen of your phone. There's no need for you to do anything more, just go about your normal day. Swipe, unlock, use, and finally redeem your awesome cash rewards or gift cards. So all you have to do is download the SlideJoy app on your mobile phone. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for this app right here. The logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app. The reviews on this one is really good. It is rated at 4.3 stars out of 5, which is an amazing rating, judging by the fact that they got over 100,000 downloads. Once again, this app is called SlideJoy. Finally, we're gonna go to the fifth app where you can make money by literally doing nothing, and this is over at moneysmsapp.com. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Unfortunately, this app only works on Android phones. This doesn't work on iOS devices. Now, once you download this app, you're gonna start receiving text messages. You can just ignore and delete them. You can earn money passively without doing anything at all with this app. And once again, this app is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. Money SMS app is secure. This app doesn't read any of your private messages or uses any other data. You can cash out in different payment methods as well. The best part is that you can withdraw your money within just 48 hours, which is incredibly fast. And right here on this app, they do actually have a referral program where you can just refer this app to your friends and earn 30% from their total earnings. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So until next time, we'll see you in the next videos. Have a nice time.